Jay for a ride today, but I'm also on a mission. Yes, I'm going to tell you all about my mission. But first, last video, I think I forgot to thank my brother properly for the help he gave me on the bike. And just to show you, one of the things he did was my new turn signals. Here's the old one that I broke when I crashed, just to show you the difference there. And he also adjusted my rear shock for me, and that is working nicely, so my mission should be a success.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ziggy. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get Ziggy with it. Okay, so today's mission, it started out this morning when my boy Kenny gave me a call. His Honda Aquatrax, which is Honda's version of the jet ski, is ready to be picked up here in Lafayette. And Kenny lives about 120, 140 miles away, and he doesn't want to drive all the way home, find some place to put it in the water and test it out to make sure that the repairs are sufficient, and find out that the repairs aren't any good and then have to bring it all the way back. So I am on the way to the boat launch, which is over by the north side, Upper Lafayette Target, and see if it's open again, because they had closed it, and I'm not sure if that's because of the construction or not. And if it's closed, I'll have to find a different place for him to put it in the water. And also, I can't thank my brother enough for the help with the turn signals and the suspension. I mean, I don't really notice the turn signals most of the time, but the suspension, it did help a lot with the adjustment. Now, to get to the boat launch is pretty much a straight shot on this road. It's just the exact opposite end of town from where I live. And getting back to the topic I discussed in the previous video about my plans for doing the Transamerica Trail, it's like the more I think about it, the more I want to go with the Grand Cherokee, just because of the engine and transmission that I love so much. And the regular Cherokee has a transmission that has been known to be problematic, and I don't know if they ever fixed the problem. And it's very front heavy, because when it's not in four-wheel drive, it's a front-wheel drive, so that puts all the weight over the front axle, and I'm not sure if I would like that or not. The route today takes us down Johnston Street from one end to the other pretty much, and the thing about Johnston Street is that most of it is Highway 167, so it gets a lot of traffic. And for as long as I can remember, people have been wanting to beautify Johnston Street by at least getting rid of these telephone poles all over the place. And yeah, that's a great idea. It would help the looks a lot. However, I don't know how you're gonna do that on such a main thoroughfare, because not only would that disrupt Highway 167, but it would also really hurt people's commute times, and it would hurt a lot of the businesses for however long it takes. And you know, to do a project this big will take at least a couple of years. So I'm not sure if they'll ever beautify it. Hey, remember Biz Banos from the Gumbo? Uh-oh. Safe. So this is the main campus of UL Lafayette. One of these days I'll give you a complete tour. guess the boat launch is not open yet. It looks like they're completely rebuilding it. I see new concrete and everything down there. This is not the boat launch we're going to use.
I stopped in this park to have a little lunch. When I say little lunch, I mean little lunch. Yes, I'm on a diet. But the real reason I came to this particular park is that I was looking for the boat landing, and I thought that this park had a boat landing, but it doesn't. So it looks like the place where I'm going to have to take Kenny is right on Highway 90, and that'll make it easier for him anyway. It'll make it easier to decide if he wants to take I-10 back home or stay on US 90, which I don't know what kind of condition it's in, if they've made any improvements. But yeah, it could be a rough ride. Okay, and thank you for coming along with me on this ride. As you can see, I'm already home, jacket off and everything, and I didn't even crash. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. See you soon.